Razor 1-1, taking complete. Crew, MCC, check in with system status.
The face of war is constantly changing.
MCC, ASO. Radar checked out and operational.
Roger.
The tools we need to keep our country safe must stay ahead of the change.
ESM checked out and operational.
BOIR checked out and operational.
MCC comm, deadband links operational.
Sky King, Razor 1-1 on station time 0550. All systems operational. Time on station 7+30.
For modern warfare, the AGS is a single platform kill chain that will dominate the battle space of the future. The P-8 Airborne ground surveillance aircraft will provide the right information at the right time to the right warfighter. State-of-the-art sensors and real-time battle management tools will expose historically unseen threats.
GMTI holds several tracks of interest in Tactical Area 2 Bravo.
Key composite track 0405.
AGS quickly and accurately determines which tracks are hostile.
Radar tracks cross-queued. ID positive hostile.
With connectivity to all necessary links, including the DSIG's integration backbone, or DIB.
Targets cross-verified with off-board, concur hostile.
Operators will control the resources and information required to quickly have and share total understanding of the battle space.
Movers leaving DIB verified garrison location.
Large, small, slow, or fast, AGS sees, IDs, and tracks them all.
Detecting multiple movers near the base camp.
AGS integrates with the current and future family of UAV systems. This increases operational flexibility and minimizes the challenge of masked targets.
Launching UAV. Shadow track Charlie 0179.
With the ability to track targets back to their point of origin, operators can better identify them as friendly or hostile.
ROE satisfied. Targets designated. Collateral damage assessment complete.
Dynamic battle management software will recommend weapon target pairings for all targets. The P-8 AGS makes targeting decisions and communicates with friendly assets via data link.
Targets approved. Strike packages selected.
Razor 1-1 engaging targets. Beast 99, check rover for squirters. Break, you have non-combatant 090 for 3 clicks. Roger that. Crew, we're cleared hot on Charlie 179. Downloading coordinates to weapon now.
In the battle space of the future, every sensor platform must be a shooter.
MCC flight, copy Charlie 179. You're clear to fire. Sky King, Razor 1-1. BDA report as follows. All targets confirmed destroyed.
Razor 1-1, Sky King, copy all targets destroyed. Razor 1-1, Sky King, new tasking inbound, check chat for lat longs.
P-8 Airborne ground surveillance. A single platform kill chain that will dominate the battle space.